I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 8 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background and give it some different color. Go to insert and take an old shape and drag an old shape by holding Shift Alt. Okay, put it here. Go to insert again and take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle, make it full rounded and make it little bit thinner. Put it here at the center of the old shape and select both. Go to merge shape and union. Shape fill, give it some white color, I think so, yes. And shape outline, give it through the eyedropper the first one color from the color palette. Again, go to insert and take an old shape again by holding Shift Alt and drag it and make it little bit smaller from the first old shape and put it here at the center of the first old shape. Shape outline, make it no outline from the recent color, give the first one color or through the eyedropper from the color palette. Take a text box and write O1 Oswald font. You will find this font free. This is a free font and you will find this font on Google. Just download it. Again, go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle like this. Make it fully rounded and make it little bit thinner and place it here. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline from the recent color, give this one color. Again, go to insert and take a line segment and drag a line segment like this. Shape outline, give this one color and make it a little bit bigger in size. Put it here. Let me make its width to 1. Yes. Again, take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle again. Sorry, let me make it more rounded. Okay, I am going to duplicate this one. This is already so in the same color as the type color, so I'm going to give this one to take this one and make it align it here. Edit point, let me select and edit point. Select this point and open path. Now delete these anchor point one by one. Extra anchor point, I am going to delete these extra anchor point one by one. Let me take another anchor point here by holding Control and click here. Select this one and delete this one. Yes. So I got a shape or a first type, so I'm going to give it Control G to group it and again flip horizontally, go to rotate and flip horizontally, put it here on the other side. Select both shapes and Control D to duplicate it and put it down here under the first two shapes. Again Control D to duplicate it. You can increase or decrease your types according to your requirements. Let me align it now. Okay, select all and I'm going to put it here. Let me select all shapes and make ungroup. By holding shift, select all these shapes. This is the last one. Select group, ungroup, and now I am going to change its color. It is unable to select the under all shapes, so I am going to delete these numbers to change the color of these all shapes according to the step, and give it a different one color from the color palette through the eyedropper. Also select this one by holding shift, this one, and this one, and give shape outline the recent color. Likewise, through the eyedropper, select the third one color from the color palette. Now select this one, and this one. Go to shape outline and give the recent color. Through the color palette, from the color palette I am going through the eyedropper, the fourth one color, and shape outline, give the same color as the fill all shape color. Through the eyedropper, this is the fifth one. Select these outlines, and from the shape outline give the recent color. The fifth one color, sixth one, and 7 and 8 likewise. And you can increase or decrease these types according to your requirement. Also you can give your own colors, your desired color, your logo color, your company color. Also you can give just one color or two colors. In that situation you can by selecting two colors, just give the single color to the one side types, and to the other side type give the second one color. Now select these shapes, and I am going to give it some shadow effect. Go to shadow effect and give to this shadow effect. Increase the transparency to 70, round about 75 according to your desire, that the design give a premium look. Now I am going to put these number over these all shapes. This is the 2. Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it. And later I will change these number to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put it here. This is number 8. So I'm going to change 2 to 8, 2 to 7, 2 to 6, and here 2 to 5, 2 to 4, okay, 2 to 4, and here 2 to 3. Yes, let me bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. Select both text and Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it, put it here. Put it here and Control D to duplicate it, put it here. Control D to duplicate it, put it here. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching. Thank you.